Introduction. The iPhone 17 Pro, announced in September 2025, represents Apple's latest push into computational photography and videography, packing a triple 48-megapixel camera system into a compact smartphone form factor. Priced starting at $1,099 for the 256GB model, it's designed as an all-purpose device that excels in everyday shooting, social media, and professional workflows thanks to its seamless integration with iOS and Pro apps. In contrast, the Sony A7R Vive, released in late 2022, is a dedicated full-frame mirrorless camera aimed at professional photographers and hybrid shooters. At around $3,000 for the body only, plus lenses, it prioritizes raw image quality, interchangeable optics, and advanced controls for studio, landscape, and wildlife work. This comparison focuses on their photography and videography capabilities, as that's the core overlap, while touching on usability, portability, and value. I'll break it down by key categories using a specs table for quick reference and conclude with a recommendation based on typical use cases. The Sony A7R Vive dominates in raw sensor performance due to its massive full-frame 61-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, which captures unparalleled detail, dynamic range, up to 15 stops, and low noise performance even at high ISOs. At base ISO 100, it delivers out-of-this-world sharpness for landscapes, architecture, and prints up to 38-40 inches without interpolation. No anti-aliasing filter means maximum resolution, though it can introduce moire and fine patterns. Ideal for pros who crop heavily or need post-processing flexibility. Colors are natural and tunable via Sony's picture profiles. The iPhone 17 Pro's 48-megapixel sensors bend to 12 megapixels for speed, punch above their 1.3-inch size thanks to Apple's photonic engine and deep fusion processing, which apply AI to enhance detail, reduce noise, and balance exposure in real time. Low light shots show pleasant colors and a wide dynamic range rivaling larger sensors in casual scenarios. However, the smallest sensors limit true dynamic range around 12 stops and high ISO cleanliness compared to full frame. Macro, 48 ME on ultra-wide, and portraits with adjustable depth are excellent for social/sharing, but lack the Sony's pixel-level fidelity for professional prints. Sony's AI-powered autofocus is a standout, recognizing and tracking complex subjects like insects or airplanes with issue points and real-time IAF, described as phenomenal for wildlife and events. Paired with M8-stop IBIS, it enables handheld sharpness at 1/4 second exposures. The iPhone 17 Pro's dual-pixel AF covers 100% of the frame without AI detection for people/pet pets, performing reliably in video and portraits. Its sensor shift OIS excels in stabilization, especially on the tetraprism telephoto, which reviewers call a standout upgrade for steady 8x shots. But it can't match Sony's subject variety or low-light tenacity. Apple edges out here for hybrid creators. The iPhone supports 4K 120 FPS Dolby Vision with ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2 for grading, and seamless editing in Final Cut Pro, praised for excellent stabilization and dynamic range in low light. Spatial video adds AR/VR appeal, and slow-mo hits 240 FPS at 1080p. No 8K, but 10-bit HDR covers pro needs without overheating. Sony's 8K 24p offers future-proof resolution for cropping to upsampling, with K60p from full readout, no crop binning, and breathing compensation. It's strong for controlled shoots, but can overheat in long 8K takes and lacks the iPhone's ecosystem polish. The iPhone is a pocketable powerhouse, slim titanium build, IP68 rating, and intuitive touch interface with customizable photographic styles. At 189 GB, it's always with you, no bag required. Sony's magnesium alloy body is weather-sealed and ergonomic with a deep grip. But at 723G plus 500 Joules lens, it's bulkier for travel. The vari-angle screen and 9.44M dot EVF shine for composing in bright light or awkward angles. And physical dials offer tactile control over the iPhone's software menus. iPhone's efficiency yields all-day use, 27-plus hours video, with wireless charging and MagSafe. Sony's NP-FZ100 is swappable but drains faster in video, 2 hours 4K, though dual slots allow unlimited shooting with spares. Storage is fixed on iPhone, up to 1 TB. Sony expands via cards. iPhone at $1,099 includes everything: phone, camera, computer. Sony demands $3,900 plus for body and a basic lens. But its longevity, upgradable lenses, suits long-term investment. Conclusion: which is the best choice? If you're a professional photographer prioritizing ultimate image quality, interchangeable lenses, and studio-grade control, choose the Sony A7R VI. Its full-frame sensor and AI features make it unbeatable for landscapes, portraits, and prints, justifying the premium for dedicated creators. For most users, travelers, vloggers, or hybrid shooters needing a do-it-all device, the iPhone 17 Pro is the best choice. Its computational magic delivers 90% of Pro results in a portable, affordable package with superior video and ecosystem integration. Unless full-frame detail is essential, the iPhone's convenience wins. If budget allows, consider both. Use the iPhone for snaps, Sony for serious work.